You're recording. No. He's recording, you douche.
Oh, that recording thing ain't worth the
Narnia.
So he has like an inch layer thick of dust on glass.
Who is that anyhow?
Taylor.
Huh? Who what?
Is that him and Taylor?
Taylor Ray? I wanna see it! I wanna see it!
Poor.
So glad of that magic.
What's staring at it like that? She threw a toe. Oh, I can't even say it.
Toenail.
Mine! It was his! It was on his chest drawers!
It wasn't his. Was it yours?
No.
Can't even see her!
Oh, you want to see her? Hold on.